Contrast is one of the most powerful tools for shaping texture intensity in a professional design workflow. Today, how to explore speckle contrast variation. Start by launching Adobe Photoshop and create a new square canvas around 2000 pixels with a dark charcoal background. Add a new layer and fill it with white, then apply Filter, Noise, Add Noise at roughly 80% using Gaussian monochromatic settings. Once the noise appears, open levels and push the black and white sliders inward until the texture separates into strong speckle clusters. Change the blend mode from normal to overlay so the speckles merge naturally with the background. Duplicate the layer and change the